better job, more pay, a large increased salary, income, more than I could spend in a day, and then some. And then I looked in the clouds and I prayed as I sat in that plane, and I cried with my child in my mind, and I looked for strength to do what I knew I had to. My heart was still with you. I prayed for forgiveness for running away from my problems, for trying to hide, keeping it all inside. This resentment, I never lost it, only forgot, only needed somebody to talk to, but I was lost with this guilt weighing heavy on my chest until I let it go. I'm putting down the pen. All those things I did, I pray to God now so I can breathe. I pray. I let it go. I'm putting down the pen. All those things I did, I pray to God now so I can breathe. I pray. I looked out the window, the clouds going by only reminded me of the time we were going to be apart. I didn't even realize how I broke your heart, how I cried inside and I let it go. I let it go. I'm putting down the pen. All those things I did, I pray to God now so I can breathe. I pray. For so long I searched for the answers. I soldier my soul, listening deeply for my purpose. I crawled, I walked, I worked, I listened, I talked, I learned, I understood, I achieved my dream, cause I always believed. But when I was lost my way, along the way, even when my energy became very dim and I sinned and I behaved like a heathen, I had to pull away. I got down on my knees and I prayed for all my sins I began to pay. And at that moment I needed help. Jesus came to save me and I let it go. I'm putting down the pen. All those things I did, I pray to God now so I can breathe. I pray. I let it go. I'm putting down the pen. All those things I did, I pray to God now so I can breathe. I pray. I need a bed, I had to sleep in it. I covered miles and miles, I knew I had a gift. I was blinded by the dollars until I found the answer and I let it go. The pain I endured was like the currency I owed. The lifting and punishment, ego, my attitude bought on credit. I was lost trying to control the situation, dwelling on the past, fighting to shadow myself, falling over and over again. A lesson when I needed to lift, I never needed to forget it. It was like a bottle of suffering, like a morphine drip in my veins, and I couldn't seem to kick until I let it go. I'm putting down the pen. All those things I did, I pray to God now so I can breathe. I pray. All the things I did, I tell God now so I can breathe. I needed someone to talk to. I had to guide me back to the light. I was angry, I was upset, I was ashamed. I made excuses, I complained. I stopped eating, I lost sleep, running